Hey folks, so I picked up a bargain on Marketplace, or what I think is a bargain, I'm hoping is a bargain. A whole bucket full of die-cast. So die-cast toys. From what I could see in their photo, it looked like all Lesneys and Dinkies and Corgis. So I'm hoping there's some good stuff. I'm going to unbox it for you here. So I got a whole bucket. So 4-liter pail, and here we go. So there's the toys. Gonna go through them here. Gonna lay them all out because I gotta price them out. And we got a Corgi. What is it? A Corgi Airborne or Air something? Ford Thames Caravan. Anyway. So yeah, neat piece here. Right there. So that's cool. And we got some tractors and such. Got a combine. That's a Lesney. That's a neat one. Don't see them that often. Hay rake. That's cool. We got an international. Let's see, what is it? McCormick International. We've got a snow track, missing a track, but it does have one track anyway. That's okay. Maybe the other one's in here somewhere. That's neat. That's one I haven't seen. A lot of neat little oddball ones. This one I've seen before. Then we got a little ambulance, little what is it? A Daimler ambulance. So that's cool. We got a little, I can't quite read it. We got some gook in the bottom, some grunge, but that's neat. Dunlop tire rack, unfortunately it's bent, but it might be able to bend those back. We'll see. That's different. We've got a mobile gas truck. That's cool. That's cool. These are in reasonably decent condition too, so I'm being paged there. It sounds like here's a Dinky toy. It's a trailer. That's a neat one too. A lot of them I haven't seen before. Dinky toy VW bug. That's cool. Put the Dinkies in the corners. Then we got a little, what is that? Oh, it's a little mail truck or something. Oh no, Lion's Made. So it's a little vending truck. So some sort of ice cream type truck. That's cool. There's a lot of neat ones. Trailer. These are always good. I'll price them out individually when I get a chance. But for $80 is what I paid for the bucket full. So I think I'm doing pretty good already, because even at $5 a piece, I'm making money pretty soon. So, but yeah, there are going to be more than that, of course. Some of them are quite cool, and I think scarce ones. There's a Lesney as well. Model to yesteryear, I think. Is that one? Yep, it's a model of yesteryear. So that's pretty cool. That's probably the most modern one in there so far. And we got another Dinky police car. There's a really rare one, I think, that has an RCMP. Oh, it is! That's the scarce one. It's got the RCMP logo on it. That's cool. That's cool. That could be a really good one. I'm not sure what kind of money, but that could be a really good one. Yeah, that's neat. And we've got a station wagon. Let's see, it's a Nash Rambler. Another Dinky. Got a military medical wagon. Lesney as well. Lesney is Matchbox, by the way, for those of you who are not familiar with that term. Lesney made Matchbox toys. Lesney Mechano. There's a Jeep. That's a Dinky as well. That's a neat one too, eh? Look at that. That's cool. It's still got its windshield. Some really neat ones in here. There's a Dinky again. Military one. There's some really neat ones in here. I'll just keep saying that, eh? Anyway, there's another, I don't know if that's a model of yesteryear or not, but that's I think that's a Lesney. I'm not sure. Can't tell. Don't know. Don't know about that one. That one I'll put off in the corner here. And we got another little, this is a little Austin. Well, the hood goes up. That's kind of neat. See the engine bay. Evening news van. It's cool. And we've got a fire truck with a ladder. That's cool. We've got a little truck or ute. I think they're called utes. Utility vehicles. MK4 commer pickup. So English pickup truck. And we've got Rent-A-Set. Oh, TV service van. Oh, that's neat. Jeez, there's a lot of neat ones in here I've never seen before. There's a Ford Zephyr. Oh, another Dinky here. Oh no, it's a Real Types, not Dinky. It's a Real Types. This was a Canadian company made Dinky type models. Buick Invicta. Yeah, that's a neat one. That one's kind of wet for some reason. We've got another little wagon. That's a American Ford station wagon. So that's kind of cool. And another Real Types Chevy station wagon. Looks like an ambulance actually, by the looks of it. So station wagon body made into an ambulance. These are wet. What the heck? Guess they must have washed them or something. That's a Husky. Or Corgi Jr. actually. Not a Husky. Corgi Jr. That's a little different. Another little van, missing a door though. Nice shape though, other than that. And that's a Volkswagen Camperette. That's neat. We've got a bulldozer, typically missing tracks, per usual. We've got a Lesney scraper. Oh yeah, there is water in here. Good thing I unpacked these. Lesney again. Yeah, this is a Corgi wagon. That's kind of a farm wagon. And a little Jeep, Army Jeep, a little Lesney Army Jeep. I think we're doing pretty good. Look at this. Look at all of them, eh? A lot of neat ones. Okay. Another Dinky. Ooh, the wheels are kind of squished. But a Dinky, not sure what that is. What is it called? It's called the BEV truck. So that's what that is. So we got some neat Dinkies there too. We got our Dinky fighter jet. That alone is probably 15, 20 bucks, 25 bucks maybe. After it's cleaned up. It's cool. Got some rougher ones on the bottom here. Got a semi-truck back. Oh, there's a wrecker. Oh, it almost was complete. Nice decals on that though. The little hook is broken though. Still, neat wrecker. And we got a front end loader. Or there it is. There it is. Looks like that. Gonna have to start stacking here. We got a ladder off off one truck here somewhere. I guess that'll have to go with, I'm not sure what that goes with. Maybe that truck. I don't know. We'll see. And we got a London bus, double-decker bus. Another Ford Thunderbird. There we go. Anyway, we've got some good ones in here, that's for sure. Got a Coke truck or beverage truck of some kind. Yeah, Bedford beverage truck. Beverage delivery. Let's see. We got another Vauxhall Cresta. So, a little neat little one. Another, we got a tank. I think the barrel's been broken off that one. But still, got another little Lesney truck. This is cool. Oh, we got a little dog from one of the sets. These little accessories are tough to find, so I don't know what that set belongs to. Maybe the Commer truck. This little truck, maybe. Possibly, I'm not sure. I'm not sure where the dog goes. If you know where that dog goes, let me know in the comments below. And a little loader thing here. I don't know if that's a Lesney or not. Could be. I have to check. And we got a little tractor here. And another little truck, little dump truck, missing parts. There'll be probably a little bag full of rough ones that'll go in one lot. A little Jag or something here. No, it's a Jaguar. Yeah, little Jag. That's neat. Last but not least, we got a convertible, a Boss Hog type convertible. I remember having one of these and painted it white to go with my Dukes of Hazzard stuff. Yeah, I picked up a bunch of my uncle's Dinky toys or Lesney toys, or inherited them, and didn't like the colors, so I painted the darn things. But anyway, now I got one that's the original color. Cool. And that is a Pontiac convertible. I know somebody that might like that one. Anyway, that's it, folks. All those for $80. Do you think I did good? Let me know in the comments. What do you think I have here total, money-wise? Any ideas? Any thoughts? Leave me a comment below. Thanks for watching, folks. Please be sure to like and subscribe and check out our other videos on antiquing, picking, thrifting, scrapping, etc. Take care, folks.